What's going on, guys? Thrills in a block back again. We're putting some taillights on the Chevy Silverado. I know you're like, but wait, Three Wheels, you just made these taillights new again. What are you doing? Well, somebody saw the video, and I guess they were so impressed, or not impressed, they sent me a brand new set of taillights for this truck. Let's get started. Yeah, you see that Speed of Coat Refinish Network shirt. How you see it? Alright, so these lights are from AutoSaver88 on Amazon. See what they are. They said they sent me some lights for the truck. I don't even know what they look like. Alright. Oh. I'm just going to tell you guys, I do not like styrofoam. But packing peanuts are the worst. But you guys already know that. You've seen my other videos. Wow, look at that. Customer service. Man. Now that is cool. Alright. Hey. Well, that's pretty cool. These are smoked black. Wow. Man, that is nice. These might make the Black Stallion great again. What can I say? What can I say? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the old lights out. We'll get these installed, and then I will remove this plastic coating that you see on here. This is just a plastic to protect the lenses from getting scratched up. So I will get these installed, and then remove the plastic coating. We'll see what they look like. For this job, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver and your hands. Pretty simple. So the contents contain the lights. You have a passenger side and a driver side. And then there's also some clips. These little clips here. Now these clips are to help the retaining screws hold the light in place. Installation is pretty simple. You get to the inside of your light. This one is the passenger side. And if you look here, this clip goes right over that hole so the screw holds it in place. Make sure you have your clip oriented this way where the smooth side is facing out. You just push them down on there like so. That'll hold your screw in place. Repeat that process 3 more times and you'll be done with that portion of it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a Phillips screwdriver and we will get these lights installed. So you'll take your Phillips screwdriver, remove your upper and lower screw, rotate the light assembly out towards yourself, nice and easy, and then wiggle it back this direction. That will remove it from the truck. If you rotate out too far, you can snap off your tabs. So just take it nice and easy. For the removal of the lamps, you're just going to squeeze there and twist. Same thing all the way down, like so. We'll set that lamp over in our box. Grab our new light. We've already got our clips installed. Remove the packaging that they have here to keep moisture and debris from getting in the lamps. Get those out of the way. Then your installation is the inverse of removal. In this case, we're going to start the reverse light at the bottom. Just insert the lamp, twist it in position until it stops. Same thing here. Just a quarter turn is all you'll need to do. One at the top. Same thing. Alright, you'll install that back into the body of the truck. Bring you guys around here to the other side of the truck so you can see exactly what's going on. You'll see the 2 holes at the top and the bottom, and those line up with the 2 tabs on the light. Just insert those tabs into the little slots, like so. Once that's inserted in, just push the housing over into the truck like that, and that's where you want it to be at. With that in place, you go ahead and reinstall your 2 screws at the top and the bottom. Good time to use your body to lean against that lamp just to hold it in place for you. You don't have to put a lot of weight on there, just enough to keep it from falling back off the truck. Alright. Get them nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten anything because you could possibly crack your lights, so don't over tighten your bolts or screws. Let's move over to the driver's side. We'll do the same thing, removing the upper and lower screw, taking the light out, removing the lamps, and installing the new light. Alright, that one's on. So one thing I will mention about these taillights is that the factory lamps have these detent stops in here, and that's when you insert your lamp and turn it, it locks into these. The aftermarket lights do not have that. However, when you turn the lamp, it will get to a certain point where it gets tight, and that's where you'll stop at. Just figured I'd add that in there. After you've installed your lights, you go ahead and remove this plastic film. That was just to protect them during the shipping and installation process. You see I left it on there, that way if I sat the light down on a surface that could possibly scratch it, it would not get scratched. Alright. Repeat the process on the other side. And these lights are pretty cool. Man, that smoke black looks really good on the black truck. Alright, I'm going to turn some lights down and we'll see how these things look in the dark. Alright, special thanks to AutoSaver88 for sending me these taillights for the 2001 Chevy Silverado. Supplies to the 99 new body style through 2007 new body style Chevrolet pickup trucks. The lights, easy installation, and they're very clean. I mean, they're super shiny. I mean, you can, the black is like a mirror. You can see everything going on in the shop. You can see me, you can see the engine and transmission and transfer case I just pulled out yesterday. So yeah, great quality, easy to install, and they look really nice. You never really know about aftermarket lights, but these are impressive. It's a nice quality light. We'll see how it holds up over time.
Promo code in the description below.
That's going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys have not turned that red button gray, go ahead and do that for me. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. All you guys leaving comments. There's more content coming. We'll be doing some more stuff with the Black Stallion. This is pretty much just a workhorse. It does stuff like this right here. Always hauling something behind it. Or in the bed. But we got more stuff coming. Thanks again, AutoSaver88, for sending these awesome taillights for me to try out on my Chevy Silverado pickup truck. My name's Erwin. This is Three Wheels in a Block. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.